Hey guys, today I want to show you this mattress topper that I received for urban purposes that I think that it's really beautiful and it's quite practical. Let me untangle it. As you can see, it comes big and sealed and it starts unfolding and reshaping itself by the longer it waits. As you can see, it has a really beautiful white color and I'm gonna place above this bed. In this case, it's a queen size bed. So I think that it's really nice. Let me show you how it fits. It covers up perfectly the queen size of my bed, and it comes with these straps. They are special, so it supports with the mattress that you just have to place underneath of it while you take it up. And in each of the four corners, they've come these straps. So once the door is slipping and if you move, it won't slip or anything, which I think that it's really nice. You can get yours on different sizes depending of the bed that you have, which I think that this is really nice. As I've said, in this case, this is a queen size one, and as you can see, it fits perfectly. And as you can see, now that it's ready, it's quite padded, which I think that it's perfect. It feels quite comfortable to rest in. And let me just test it out. I'm gonna place a pillow and see how it feels. I think that it's nice because you sometimes have a mattress that you don't want to throw out still, but it ain't that quite comfortable. But this one, I think that it's perfect to just being laying around. It's quite nice, quite comfortable. And as I've said, it's really breathable. I think that it's nice. These mattress toppers can help you refresh your old mattress or get a more comfortable experience, which I think that it's nice. I love them and I think they are quite nice. Subset perfect to cool or refresh your new mattress. I think that it's nice. And overall, I like a lot and I will really recommend that. See you guys.